Got the Chevy Astro van with headlight problem. It's a 1999. I've taken all these grounds and sanded them down. Where are they? Right here. Right here. That big ground does the headlight, or that's off the battery. There's another one right there. Another one right there, that's the headlights. Right there. I've taken those apart, sanded them, and nothing. There's the ground right there for the right headlight. Where'd it go? It don't want to show up. Right there. That's the right headlight and the left one. They each have one. I've taken all these fuses out. All these relays, sanded all of them. All these are good. All the little ones are good. I guess those big ones are good too, or they wouldn't work. That one's the fuel pump. This one here's the fuel pump. So the mechanic finally came yesterday. He figured it out. The problem is back in here. He got the headlights going. I got a brand new headlight switch and it still didn't work. But he got the headlights going with this little pigtail wire he made. They were going, and luckily he didn't leave and say it's done. The problem's back here. See this one come out? And those ones are messed up. It needs a brand new multi-switch. This is a multi-switch. It's the one that comes out here. It goes turn signals, windshield wipers, cruise control, and four-way flashers. He's gonna put this in a day or two. I was hoping he'd put it in today. He was come home after work last night. After working 10 hours, he came here to try to help me figure it out. It's right up in here for sure. He had the headlights working, then he wiggled these wires and they shut off. I'm glad he said it's not fixed and went home. It's gonna get fixed right now. All it is a multi-switch. I'm hoping that's all it is. A new multi. If I would have went to the Chevy dealership, they would have wanted probably $600 for that switch installed. Because they charged probably $350 for the switch. I went to Brown's Auto Electric and I know he wanted $93 an hour. I know he'd say, oh, it needs that multi-switch. It's going to be $350 for the switch. Another $100 to put it on. That's crazy. My mechanic will probably put that switch on for $50. It shouldn't take long at all. I really like this van, but I don't like no headlights. You gotta have headlights. I checked all the fuses up under too. There's fuses under the dash. They're all good. It's this switch for sure. 1999 Chevy Astro van. It's got 326,000 miles on it. I'm glad I didn't try to take it to the dealership. I would have got ripped off bad. I'm glad I played around myself trying to fix it. I wish the mechanic would have got on it right away. Months ago. It's been broke for months.